Hi. So today we'll discuss about tuple. So what is tuple? I have this is tuple. I have explained you about what is tuple and what we do. So it's a built-in data type in Python. As like we have discussed in the previous videos about list and list mutability and list slicing. I hope you guys have gone through that video. If not, I recommend you to guys watch those videos. So those are also very important inbuilt methods of Python. Lists and dictionaries are the most useful data types in Python. So yeah, now let's discuss about tuple. So first you have to understand what is tuple. So and the features of tuple we need to understand. So basically the tuple is nothing but it's the first thing first, it's a built-in data type, and what it will store, it is used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, so the same way we used to do in our list, we will do this here also. And it also one of the four collection data types. So the four collection data types that we have, set, a dictionary, list, and tuple. Tuple is one of them. And one more thing, yeah, the important features of this tuple is it's an ordered one. So tuples are ordered, and also they are very much immutable. Though this is the only one data type. I mean, strings and the tuples are immutable. I hope you guys have watched this immutability and what is immutability. In that video, I have clearly explained about this mutability and immutability, and it allows duplicates. Okay, so it allows duplicates. These are the some of the important features of this list. So how to be careful about these features, and according to that you can work. So now how to create a basic tuple? Let's see that. So to create a simple tuple, take a variable name. So let's take tuple one. Okay. So tuple one. This is I know. I hope you guys remember how to initialize these variables. What are the mistakes? What are the rules that we need to follow to initialize variables? So here I am taking tuple one. It's not a mistake, it's not wrong. But if you take tuple, then it's obviously you are using a one of the keyword of Python. Tuple is a one of the keyword of Python, so you are not supposed to use. So yeah, so I am taking tuple one equal to. So here you can enter some, so whatever the apple, okay, banana, banana, cherry. So like this you can have multiple items in a tuple. Okay, so you can see here I am using parentheses. So if you use square brackets, then it will become a list. Okay, so this is one key thing. Okay, so basically parenthesis is used to initialize this tuple. Now let's see what is the things, these features. So like see, it is ordered. Basically it's index type of thing. So it is ordered, and if you, I mean, immutable means you cannot change. Once you have created one, then you cannot change. That's one thing. And it can have, we can have duplicates. I mean, you can have another opal here. So apple, that's it. So if you print this, you'll get the output as let's print this tuple one. That's it. So if I run this, what will be the output? I hope this is visible. See, apple, banana, cherry, and apple. So duplicates are allowed. So this is all about tuple, and let's see some differences between a list and tuple. Why? Because so people might get confused with this. First, so the differences, some of the differences between this list and tuple are like, so this mutability and immutability is the one of the major important difference that we have to know. So that is lists are like, they are mutable, right? So we can change the lists, but these tuples are immutable. So tuples are immutable. I will keep here itself. If you want, I can give you the notes also. Just comment in the comment section. And again, so these lists are slower compared to tuples. Why? Because lists are slower, but tuples are faster compared to this lists. And when it comes to memory, so this list consumes actually more memory, and this tuples consumes less memory. Okay, less memory. And another important thing is there are so many methods for list. So many methods for list. for list like append, remove, pop. So there are so many methods, but here there are some less methods. Okay, we will discuss in that in the next video. Okay, for this, for now, just know this. Okay, so in list is used more like list is mostly list will be used in many cases. List used more compared to tuple. Okay, so these are the some of the differences we have to understand. We need to know. Okay, why. So yeah, these are some of the differences. I hope you got to know about differences also. Now let's see some of uh, I hope you guys already know about mutability and immutability. Now let's see how these are. If you want to change some tuple, like let's take a tuple, say the same tuple one is there. If you want to change it, if you want to make some element to change, see in this I have apple, banana, cherry, and apple. Now let's make some changes here. That is, to make that, first convert it to list. Okay, to convert it to list of that variable name, that is tuple one. Okay, so let me keep this here itself. Okay, it will be very you can understand. Okay, now, so it is a list. Okay, list one is basically, it's not a tuple, it's a list. Now you change in this list. Okay, so basically list one of one. Okay, what is the one? This is banana, so I will change this banana to some strawberry. Okay, let's make it as strawberry. And let's see, so now again convert this list one to tuple one. Okay, so tuple one equal to tuple of list one. Okay, now let's print this. Print tuple one. That's it. So if I run this, first basically you will have this original list, that is apple, banana, cherry, and apple. And if you print now here apple instead of banana, you will have strawberry. Okay, you'll see that here. See, apple, banana, cherry, apple, and once after making changes, it is apple, strawberry, cherry, apple. Okay. So this is how, if you want to change some things, first convert them into list. Then in that list you do updates, and then convert that list into tuple. So then you can find that modified tuple. Okay, this, yeah, this is all about this video. I hope you understood something, you find something useful from this video. If and I'm not getting much users. Okay, I mean it's not been reached to many students who are learning Python. Please share this among with your friends and family so that it will be helpful for me. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.